Comparing numbers. We compare numbers by using these symbols. This one is greater than. We have here lesser than. And we have here equal. So we use these symbols in comparing numbers. But how do we compare numbers? So I have here an example. I have here examples for you. Let's have this number. Okay. And the other one is okay. Okay, so how are we going to compare this big number? First of all, be sure that you know the value of each digit. Okay, the value of each digit of numbers here. For example, this first number here, we have to do the first number to the left. Okay, the place value of this one is in the 10,000s place. So the value of that is 80,000. Okay, plus it's just like writing it in an expanded form. And this one is 6,000. And then the next one is in the hundreds place. That will be 700. And then the 5 here is on the tens place. That would be 50. And then the last digit on its right is 4, which is in the ones, so that is 4. And do the same thing with the second number, which is the 8 here is in the 10,000s place, so that is 80,000 plus. So you can see now that they are the same. Then plus the 6 here, we have 6,000 plus next number is 8 is in the hundreds place. Oh, and then the 5 here, which is also 50, plus we have the last digit on its right, which is 4. So as you can see, when we compare numbers, we should look to the left first. Okay, looking to the left, these are the same, meaning to say check, check. The next number is 6,000. They are the same. Check, check. The next number is 700 and 800. Oh, so this is where we find the difference. We can now compare that this one is smaller than this one because this is 700 and this is 800. Okay, so upon seeing, when you already see numbers that are different, you can already compare them. So the answer here is lesser than. Okay, this is lesser than 86,754 is lesser than 86,854. So that's it. That's how we compare numbers. First, without this illustration, if you have mastered the expanded form, okay, of giving the values of each digit, you can just do the comparison by just looking this one. 8 and 8, check. 6 and 6 here, check. 7, okay, this is the difference. 7 and 8. Okay, so this is just an illustration of how. Okay, another example. We have here 29. Sige. 29,400, okay, compared with okay, so we will not do this anymore by just looking at the digits first at its left. So we have here 2, they are the same. 9, they're the same. 4 and 4, oh, it's the same also. And then we have here the 8 and the 6. 8 and 6, they are different. So we'll stop there. You can now put your answer here. 8 is greater than 6. So our answer would be greater than. Okay. So here's the thing. So that you will not be confused of lesser than and greater than and lesser than. Always remember that, for example, this is the mouth. Okay, it will always bite to what is big. Okay, it will always bite to the bigger number. So just like this one, okay, the crocodile's mouth, this one also, it bites here because this is greater. So the mouth will always face to the bigger one. The alligator or the crocodile always wants the bigger one. So that's your clue or hint. Okay, here's another thing. So I said earlier that when you compare numbers, always start comparing at the left side. Okay, the digits on its left. But how about this one? There is one thing that I should emphasize on you also, on this thing also, because this is very important. What if the number is this? Let's say, this is also a big number. Okay. Earlier, I said that when you compare numbers, start always at the left side digit. So, when you do this thing here, you will start with 9 and 3. And then, perhaps you will answer directly without looking at the number of digits or the other numbers, because the rule says always start with the left. So 9 and 3, oh, my answer is greater than because this is big. Wait, it's not that simple, because sometimes numbers have different digits. So in this case, this has 5 digits and this one has 6 digits. So meaning to say, this number is only up to 10,000 place. This number is up to 100,000 place. So, when you compare numbers, see to it also that the number of digits are equal before comparing the first digit on its left. It's not just you compare the number on the left. It's not just like that. You have to know also how many digits are there in that number. So we have here 6 digits. Let's make this number a 6-digit number also. How? How do we make that a 6-digit number, teacher? We have to put 0 here because it has no 100,000 place. It has no value on its 100,000 place. Don't put it here, because if you put it here, it becomes another number. So, because this should remain as the tens, the ones, this should remain on the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, and your 100,000s has no value at all. So, you put 0. Never put it here. Otherwise, if you put the 0 here, this will become on the tens place. This will become 90, and this will become 7, and so forth. So don't put it here. Put the 0 here to make this a 6-digit number. So you can now compare. You can now compare 3 and 0. Okay, so compare 3 and 0. Why 3 and 0 again? Because this is 6 digits, and we will make this 6 digits. So compare 3 and 0, not 3 and 9. So in this case, this is greater than. So that's it. So 310,211 is greater than 92,879. Or the other way, 92,879 is lesser than 310,211. That's it. Okay, another example. Last example, we still have space here. Okay, for example, we have here one. Okay. And the other number is okay, for this number, they are okay. So you just count the number of digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 1 1 5 5 6 6 2 2 5 5, and then 2 2, meaning to say they are equal. Okay, if you have good eyesight, very quick to answer this one. So by just looking at the number, they are the same, answer it right away. Okay, so that's it. That's how we compare numbers using the greater than symbol, the lesser than symbol, and the equal symbol. That's it.